So you've decided to grow a tiny tree in a tiny pot and become a bonsai person. Welcome. The air smells like pine needles and ambition. But before you start shaping branches like a tiny forest wizard, you've got to make one crucial choice. Which tree is going to survive your love? Some trees, super chill. Others, absolute divas. Start with the wrong one, and your bonsai journey might end in a crispy, leafless tragedy. So let's pick your very first bonsai together. This channel's growing into its very own bonsai garden, and you can be part of the journey. Hit that subscribe button right over there to help shape it. Virtual high fives to everyone who does. Now, best beginner species. We're talking the kind of trees that don't scream every time you miss a watering. Ficus? Basically a bonsai golden retriever. Juniper's like a dramatic Victorian novelist. Loves fresh air and a bit of struggle. Chinese elm is your scrappy best mate who thrives in chaos. Jade? It's a succulent, so it mostly lives off vibes and sunlight. These trees forgive you. They bounce back after bad cuts. They survive the "oops, I thought you needed more water" phase. Next week I'm diving into bonsai soil mixes, so if you've ever thought, wait, can I just use garden dirt? You'll want to be there. But species alone won't save you. Where your bonsai lives matters. Indoor trees are like house cats. Warm, cozy, slightly dramatic. They want bright light, stable temps, and maybe a pebble tray if you're feeling fancy. Outdoor trees? Absolute nature bros. They want wind in their leaves and a winter nap. So ask yourself, will your tree live on a windowsill or out braving the weather like a bonsai gladiator? Now, where do you get your first tree? Step 1. Avoid the supermarket bonsai that looks like it's plotting its own escape. Go to a proper nursery if you can. They've got trees that haven't been through 6 airport layovers. Online is okay too, but read the reviews. Zoom in on those photos. Look for vibrant leaves, healthy trunks, and roots that aren't doing the Macarena out of the pot. And here's the real trick. Don't fall for the prettiest tree. Fall for the healthiest one. Pretty grows with time. Health? That's the foundation. Controversial question of the day. Is it better to start with a styled tree or raw nursery stock? One gives you instant beauty, the other gives you full creative control. Tell me in the comments. At the end of the day, you're not just buying a plant, you're entering a long, weird friendship with bark and bugs and pruning shears. So take your time. Choose wisely and enjoy the beginning. If you've made it this far, we're definitely a fan of yours. Consider yourself awarded 2 Good Vibe Bonsai Barn bonus points. Your trees will absorb them and turn them into pure awesomeness. Catch you next time.